Hello guys, do you want to learn how to create AdMob accounts? This video is a step-by-step guide that would lead you in every single step you need to create your Google AdMob account and monetize your app to make more money online. So the first thing to do when you turn on your phone is to head to your browser. In this video we'll be using Chrome. So click on Google Chrome if you are using the same. Then you dial google.com/AdMob. Allow it to open. Now once it opens like this, you can see here, you can see get started at the top. Click get started. Click get started. Once it opens, it will show you email address if you have more than one email address, but if you have only one, you just need to choose the one you have. So I'm choosing one here. Allow it to load and open. Just be patient until it opens. Now it will ask you, get more out of AdMob. Click yes. That is yes. Send me customized help and performance suggestion. Now you click country/territory. When it opens, look for your country. When it opens, look for your country and add it there. Just gently look it. You don't need to rush. Gently look for your country. And there is no icon to search for it. Just gently select it until you see your country. Be patient. Be patient until you get it. So Nigeria is my own country. I click the country. Now come down here. It asks you, this thing is the AdSense Google AdSense online terms of service. Number one, so if you have the time, read all these things, read all these terms and conditions, read it till the end. Read it till the end if you have the time. Just bend down and read it before you accept it. So after reading this agreement, then click I have read and accept the agreement. So once that, you click start using AdMob. Start using AdMob. Now it will say we are reviewing your information. We will run a few checks to make sure your account is ready to show ads. So after reading all these things, click continue to AdMob. Continue to AdMob. Just be patient. It will soon get you to your dashboard. Just be patient. So it is now ready to take off. Now click get started. Just be patient. As I said earlier, you don't need to rush it. You will still see the magic. You will still see the magic. Oh my god. You will still see the magic. So here to ask you if your mobile app you want to add to Google AdSense is the Android app or any other one. If it is Android, click Android. If it is on Google Play Store, click that it is on Google Play Store. But if it is not, if it is on Google Play Store, play yes. So just cancel this one. So that is it. Your Google Play Store is now, your AdMob account is ready now. So go home. Okay, click app. Okay, click making money from your app is just got easier. Introduce your apps to AdMob. Create ad unit. Plug them into your code. Watch. So get started. Just be patient, it will soon be ready. It is network that is delaying it. Now set up a new app. If your app is ready, click on it. If it is not ready yet, okay, if the app you want to create is Android app, click Android. Now here it said, is the app listed on the supported Play Store or App Store? If yes, the app is listed on the supported Play Store, click on it. If it is not, click no. In this course, I will click no because there is no app I'm going to put yet. I'm only using this thing to teach you. So after you click Android and click no or yes, anyone you click is good. It depends on the choice. So if your app is on any supported app such as Apple Store or Google Play Store or any other one such as Amazon, so you click. If not, click no. So after you have chosen the one you made, Android or iOS, or yes or no, so you click continue. So when you click continue, here it will ask you to name your app. Now I will name this app anything of my choice. For instance, Monetizing TV. Monetizing TV. Now click add app. You can see the drama now. You've successfully added Monetizing TV. What to do next? Create ad unit and test your SDK integration. So after you completed testing, publish your app to a supported app store. Add stores to your AdMob app. We will do a few checks to make sure it's ready to show ads. This typically takes a couple of days, but in some cases may require more time to evaluate your app. Now after you have seen this thing, you have set up the name of your app, click done. You can see app review or app overview. You can see your dashboard here. You can see your dashboard. You can see your dashboard. So that is the simplest way to create your Google AdMob account. We have successfully created Google AdMob account for this Monetizing TV now or any other one. So in our next video, I will teach you how to create ad units on our next video. So make sure you hang in and watch other videos on our dashboard, on our channel here. If this video has helped you, kindly like this video, comment, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Remember, I said in our next video we'll be showing you how to create ad units. That is, this button you're seeing here, you go for it then. So on our next video I will show you those ones, and God will bless you. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.